Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tutorials on using X to enhance your photos. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a warning to your photo in X. Adding a warning allows you to provide important context or information to viewers. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X app on your device and wait for it to load. Step 2. Tap on the plus icon and tap on Post. Look for the plus icon, typically located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Tap on the photo. Select the photo you want to add a warning to from your gallery. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Then tap on the flag icon. Locate the flag icon, usually found among the editing options. Tap on it to access additional settings and warnings. Step 5. Toggle the options that describe the picture. Within the flag options, you'll find a list of descriptive options. Toggle the ones that accurately describe the content of your photo, providing important context or warnings to viewers. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add a warning to your photo in X. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials and tips.